Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw from our title, I'm going to be trying on some product. Now, I realize that it's been a long time since I've actually done a try on of products that we have received in a Ipsy bag, or in this case, this month, the month of November, was the last icon box of 2023. And let me tell you, it was absolutely wonderful. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a try on. It's going to be done in two parts, only because we received quite a bit in this icon box. So what I'm going to do today, just so you remember, it was curated by Pat McGrath, okay? And in this month, I always get them, but the Beauty Boost, and this month's Beauty Boost was a palette from Huda Beauty. So I'm going to do this particular one in two parts, and we're going to start off with the palette by Huda Beauty that came as our Beauty Boost product. Now, I'll post a picture up here so you can see the items that were received, but you know I'm going to point out the Huda Beauty palette. Now, it is called Empowered, and this is what the outer packaging looks like. This is what the inside packaging looks like. But I know what you really want to see, which is what the shades actually look like, okay? So these are those beautiful shades that came in the Huda Beauty Empowered palette. Absolutely gorgeous, okay? So we're going to use the Huda palette. Now, I do have some other Huda Beauty items that I'm going to use, like this right here. This one is the 3D highlighter palette, which is gorgeous as well. It does not come with a mirror, so you don't necessarily have to worry about that part, but I do want to show you what the inside packaging looks like, which is this right here. And these are the shades that are inside of this one. Now, I'm very excited to try this out together. Have a look in mind that I would like to do. So I want to share that with you on today, okay? Now, if you would like to see what this eye look and face look, well, if you would like to see what the complete look is like, please continue to watch and make sure you're there at the end so you can see the final result, okay? So let's just get started, okay?
Late nights, been on long flights, stayed on strange time. It's a strange time in my life. I took a drive home to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. called, I let you in and 4 walls. Kept our secrets hidden, eating fruit so forbidden. Kept our secrets safe, cause the temptation, it felt like pure relation. I gave you my attention, but now it's hard to mention. I don't feel a spark when you say my name. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we'll wait to evolve now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close, so baby just go ghost. Now baby just go ghost.
some other pictures and without my glasses so you can get a really good look at this particular eye look that we created on today. Now, of course, we did use some other products that were not Huda brand, but that's not really what this video was about. But I want to tell you because these are products that I absolutely love. This is what I do, okay? So my lip liner, and I gotta get me another one because I'm getting down so low. This is by Godly Glow. This is Destiny Godly's brand, okay, which I absolutely love, so gotta order another one. And as you know, I do not wear lashes for obvious reasons. For anybody who's been hanging with me for a while, there is a reason, and I will not stray from that because that was not fun. But nonetheless, so this mascara right here is my absolute go-to, and this is by Thrive Cosmetics. Love, 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 love. Did I say love, love, love? It makes me look like I'm wearing lashes. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, and now the blush, I did use a powder blush over top of my Huda blush that I used out of this palette. But the one that I topped it with came from JUVIA'S Place, the Sahara Blush 2 palette, and the name of this shade is Tayu, and it's this one right here. But of course, the stars of this show was the Huda Beauty products, of course, and mainly this beauty right here. I apologize, the dogs are barking. But this is the Empowered palette that came in our November Icon box as our Beauty Boost product, okay? Love, love, love this. But I really like Huda products anyway, okay? And the shades are just fantastic. Absolutely fantastic, okay? And this lippy is also by Huda, and this is the Revolutionary. Okay, I love it. Okay, it's a not necessarily a matte, but it's a demi matte. Okay, love this, love the color. I've been waiting, trying to find some kind of eye look that I could create, and it came from this palette, so I love that. And of course, the 3D highlighter palette from Huda. This is amazing, absolutely amazing. It tells you exactly how to use the palette here, but of course, you know, we always add our own little spin on. And I love the cover. Kind of makes it look like she's looking through a window. Okay, so tell me what you think. Tell me what could have been better, what you like, and if you decide to create this look, tag me. I would love to see it, okay? Now, unfortunately, yet fortunately for me, my base was done before we even started, okay? Because that's not what this video was about, okay? So, I just want to thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. It's been a very long time since I've done a try-on or create a look from items that we get in our boxes, okay? But this was amazing, and I was very excited to do so, okay? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. It's more than enough room over here. just for you. Okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.